This is the breakdown of the legal battle between Epic Games and Google, a case that exposed the hidden strategies and power structures of the modern tech industry. Epic Games is the developer behind Fortnite. They command an audience of hundreds of millions of players and generate billions of dollars in revenue, making them a significant force in the digital economy. The giant they decided to take on was Google, the search company that acts as the primary gatekeeper for the Android software used on billions of smartphones. By looking at the internal documents and courtroom testimony from this fight, we can see exactly how these digital monopolies maintain their power and what it takes to actually challenge them. To understand the core of the conflict, imagine you open a successful storefront inside a massive shopping mall. You design the products and bring in the customers yourself. Now imagine the mall owner demands a 30% cut of every single sale. For years, this is how Google treated Play Store developers. In 2020, Epic Games updated Fortnite with a direct payment pipeline, allowing players to pay Epic directly, bypassing Google's billing. Google's response was immediate. They treated this bypass as a violation of their rules and slammed down a wall to stop it. Both Apple and Google removed Fortnite from their app stores on the same day. Epic responded by filing lawsuits against both companies in federal court. When a platform has absolute control over how you reach your customers, they can shift from providing a helpful service to dictating terms that are difficult for any creator to escape. Epic Games sued both tech giants simultaneously for the exact same practices, yet the outcomes were completely different. They lost to Apple, but won against Google. Apple operates what is known as a walled garden. They control every part of the iPhone experience. The judge ruled that because Apple is transparent about its rules, the closed system is legal. Google, however, marketed Android differently. They told the public and developers that their system was an open, free marketplace where anyone could compete. The trial revealed a secret initiative called Project Hug. Evidence showed that Google paid hundreds of millions of dollars to major developers to keep them from launching their own independent app stores. Under antitrust law, having a strict closed system is often entirely legal. Claiming to be an open market while secretly paying to block competition is an illegal monopoly. The legal battlegrounds were also different. The Apple case was decided by a judge, but Google's fate was placed in the hands of a jury of 9 citizens. During the trial, it was revealed that Google executives used auto-delete settings on their internal chats. This effectively destroyed corporate communications that could have been used as critical evidence. In contrast, Epic CEO Tim Sweeney had a clear, documented record of his strategy. He didn't have to worry about missing messages because his goals were already public record. In this case, a documented history proved much more valuable than a clean slate. While Google's missing messages drew the judge's suspicion, Epic's paper trail provided a narrative the jury could follow. In December 2023, the jury ruled against Google on all counts. This led to a massive settlement in 2026 that finally forced changes to how the Android store operates. Following the verdict, the universal 30% fee began to break. Google lowered its tax rate to 20% and officially allowed other app stores. These lower fees mean developers have more resources to invest, leading to more choices and lower prices for users. This clearly shows how a single challenger, if persistent enough, can move a massive system that seemed unchangeable. By maintaining independent distribution routes, a business ensures that its survival doesn't depend on the whims or tax rates of a single platform owner. The battle between Epic and Google proved that even the largest tech giants are subject to the rules of fair competition, ensuring the digital market remains open for the next generation of creators.